How to download Shopify app to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download Shopify app to iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download the application, firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And now go ahead and open App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar there and search for Shopify and tap on this particular option. You will now see the Get button, so go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete and, once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and this is how you can download the Shopify application on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.